Assalamu alaikum girls, I am your science teacher and today we are going to study about the solar system, which is your unit number 7 and page number 37. So as you all know that we live on the planet Earth, and we can see the sun and the moon and the stars from our planet. There are many other planets also about which we are going to study today because they are related to the sun. What do we call the sun? We call the sun solar. Sometimes we call the sun solar also. Solar means something related to the sun. So the solar system means this system is related to the sun. If you see this picture, this picture has the sun in the between. It means that the sun is the main thing, okay? So there are many planets revolving around the sun. See, this is revolving around the sun. This is also revolving around the sun. This is also revolving. So actually the solar system means everything, the sun and everything that orbits around it. Orbits means which is moving around it like this. This is known as the solar system. The sun and all the things which are orbiting around the sun, it means which are moving around the sun, they are known as the solar system. So the planets about which we know are 8 planets, and all the planets have their moons also, and all these planets are revolving around the sun. So now see, if you look at this is the sun and all the planets are revolving around the sun, okay? Revolving around it and orbiting around it, both these words have the same meaning. They are revolving around it and they are orbiting around it. So this yellow one is the sun, and all the planets are orbiting around it, okay? Now come to the names of these planets. There are 8 planets. So the first planet is the Mercury. It is the Mercury. The name of the first planet which is revolving around the sun is Mercury. The second planet which revolves around the sun, its name is Venus, okay? Number 1 is Mercury, number 2 is Venus. The third planet which is revolving around the sun, its name is Earth, and we live on Earth. Its name is Earth. The fourth planet, the name of the fourth planet is Mars. The name of the fourth planet is Mars, and we live on Earth. Our planet is Earth. After Mars comes Jupiter. See, Jupiter is the fifth planet, and after Jupiter, which planet is revolving around the sun? Its name is Saturn. So Saturn is revolving around the sun. One more planet after Saturn is the Uranus. Uranus is revolving around the sun, and the last planet which is revolving around the sun, it is the Neptune. Now see, here you can see the planets which are revolving around the sun. The first planet which is revolving around the sun is the Mercury. The second planet which is revolving around the sun is the Venus, and the third planet which is revolving around the sun is the Earth. What is an orbit? Orbit is the path on which the planet is moving. See, this is an orbit. This is a path which is made by Allah, and the planets, they move around this path, okay? So This is the third planet which is revolving around the sun. Mercury is the first, Venus is the second, the Earth is the third. The fourth planet which is revolving around the sun is the Mars. So after the Earth, Mars is revolving around the sun, and this is the pathway of Mars. This is the pathway of Mars. The fourth planet is Mars. Okay. So the fourth planet is Mars. After Mars, which planet is revolving? Its name is Jupiter. Its name is this planet is revolving around the sun, whose name is Jupiter. After Jupiter comes Saturn. After Jupiter comes Saturn. Mercury is the first, Venus is the second, Earth is the third, Mars is the fourth, Jupiter is the fifth, Saturn is the sixth, and the seventh planet is the Uranus. The seventh planet is the Uranus, this one, and the eighth planet and the last one is the Neptune, this planet. Okay. So these are the 8 planets. Now you all know about the solar system, and you know about the orbit. What is an orbit? What are the solar systems? What do the planets do? Now open your books on page number 37. What is a solar system? The solar system is the sun and everything that orbits around it. The sun, the biggest object in our solar system, is in the center of it. And how many planets are there? 8 known planets and their moons are there. So Mercury has its own moon, Venus has its own moon, Earth has its own moon, and all these planets, they have their own moons also. Other space objects are also there which are traveling around the sun. Okay, so this is half of the solar system which they are showing in this picture. Okay, like half of the orbit has been shown in this solar system.